first breakup, I lost my boyfriend of a brain aneurysm in the middle of sex. I was giving him head, and a blood vessel popped in his brain.
Nah, that's first-degree murder. That mouth is a lethal weapon. Death by snoo-snoo. They need to put handcuffs on her mouth. Or maybe some sort of mask. She's concealing a lethal weapon. Shawty gave Soul Snatcher a whole new meaning. Had my bro slip roll and bust to the afterlife. SMH. Shaking my head. Yeah, I don't know how the family must feel about that, because even if he did have an aneurysm, you know, she was still somehow the cause. I'm not sure I would trust her after that. Nah, I probably wouldn't let that slide if I was a family. I'm going to have to test this weapon out myself to make sure it's safe for the public. And if something happens to me, just send her to prison, because she is unaliving people, and that is unacceptable. That pure evil.